Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do a video for you on how to embroider tulle. I want to make some really cute puffy tulle skirts for my grandbaby girl. I kind of wanted to embroider some flowers and stuff on her skirt and play around with the tulle, but I couldn't find any videos on how to embroider it. So I thought that I would put my hand on it and practice a couple ways of doing it and find out what works and what doesn't work. I really do thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the tulle embroidery. Okay, bye. So in this video, you're gonna need some tulle, of course. I found some tulle at Joann's for $1.40 a yard. If you use a coupon, it's half that. So I got a lot. I got a whole bolt of it. Don't judge me. I just wanted to play with it. And then I also got some water-soluble stabilizer. That's what I'm using for this project. It's not completely rounded on the piece, and I'm going to see if I can use 2 layers of tulle. I'm kind of folding it in half so it has 2 layers, maybe to give it a little bit more strength. So here I have a just kind of satin stitch, no frills. I want to see how it embroiders. I'm going to cut some of this stabilizer off because it's like glue. So I'm also going to kind of trim off this back layer a little bit, because when I was doing it, and I think when I was doing it, I was trying to do it with when it was wet. So there it is, 1 layer of tulle. So there it is. I cut off the back layer of tulle, and then here's the embroidery. I'm going to use this cup that just has regular water. Let it soak for a bit. Look how beautiful that is. I recommend that you do this with just a single design, a satin stitch. I ended up doing a step stitch, so it's multi-layered, so it's a step stitch and then a satin stitch on top. I think it's too heavy for the tulle, and I also think that the reason I don't have it on the tulle like this one is it started tearing off. Oh, sorry, don't look at my mess. Well, I thank you for watching, and it's going to be a quick, small video, so I'll see you I'll see you in a minute. Bye-bye. Who knew I had a mess down there? I thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. All right, bye.